Hello, Tanse, bonjour, and good morning, everybody. Dallas Arcand here, live from my new location here in Kelowna, BC. Just finished my morning jog, so I just thought I'd give you guys an update. I'm still adjusting to the time zone and the climate. Of course, it's beautiful here. It's gorgeous here. I love it out here. The energy is great. I just had to change up my location from where I was in Alexander. I was there basically through this whole pandemic, and now I'm this much closer to my daughter. So I'm going to be seeing my daughter tomorrow. She's going to be staying with me over here, so just getting set up over here, getting settled in. So I just thought I would say hey and good morning and share this beautiful view with you. It's amazing out here. We're right here by the Okanagan Lake. It's a beautiful territory. So I'd also like to acknowledge the Okanagan people, the Okanagan territory. This is indigenous territory to the Okanagan people. So how the Okanagans say hello in the language is they say white. And the first thing you should do when you're in anybody's territory is say hello to the water as well. So that's one of the things that we've been doing here is just spending a lot of time by the water, making offerings, saying hello, touching it, like this, really touching that water and saying hello to that beautiful territory, to this beautiful mountainscape territory. So good morning, everybody, and I hope you guys are doing good. I just want to sign on real quick here. I don't have Wi-Fi, but I'm just broadcasting from my phone anyway, on my data, but that's okay. I got lots of data anyway. So anyways, I just thought I would share the view and go through some stretches with you guys, just to remind you guys to take care and to remember the things that I've shared with you in previous videos about fitness, about wellness, about taking that 5 steps, warm up, stretch, and then strength training, and then some peak performance training, as well as a nice cool down. So here's my view with you guys this morning. So I'm gonna just go through some stretches with you guys. Follow along if you like. Just have my water. Oh yeah, and I even carry my Alexander First Nations bottle, so I don't forget where I come from, even in this beautiful territory. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna start out with a couple of stretches, just like before. Just nice and easy. Stretch out the muscles. I'm nice and warm and sweaty already, so still kind of cold out here. Still blowing frost. And anyways, yeah, I'm still getting set up here in the beautiful Okanagan. So I hope you guys are doing well. Just stretching out here. Same stretches as I've done before. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Stretching out the back here and stretching out some of those muscles. Got to stretch out those tricep muscles. Feels good. I love the air out here. I love the beautiful scenery. It's amazing out here. So amazing. I just love it out here. It's awesome. So anyways, I'm gonna go through my stretches with you guys, and then I'm gonna sign off. So definitely thanks for all your comments and positive words of encouragement. I really appreciate that with each and every one of you sharing your journey with me as I share my journey with you. It's really important for me to hear from you and hear how you guys are doing as well. So awesome, and good morning, everybody. It's awesome to have you aboard with my program here. So anyways, I'm just doing my neck stretches here now. Always important to stretch every day, no matter where you're at in the world. Always do that every day. It's an everyday process. So just gonna continue on with my stretches now, right beside the beach, the water. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Gonna twist things up now. Stretching it up. Oh. same as we always do. For stretches, gonna stretch out that ankle. Could be walking on the beach here and step on a rock and boom, there goes your ankle. So anyways, still continuing on my journey with stretching, exercising. It's just as important as I've always shared with you. Very, very important to do this on a regular basis. I'm encouraging my girlfriend too to keep stretching and doing all that. All right, a couple more stretches here, and then I'm gonna sign off. I just thought I would say good morning and share this beautiful moment with you. And it's so gorgeous here though. I love it, and I look forward to many more days and moments. I'm gonna probably work on some videos in the next couple days here, do some dance videos on the lake, so stay tuned for that. I'm also gonna be writing some new music too, and hopefully releasing a new single here right away. So anyways, I'm gonna finish up now with a couple more stretches. Touch your toes and back up, cross your legs and touch your toes. All right, and same thing, cross your legs and touch your toes. Very good. All right, I'm gonna put on my hoodie here because it's a little cold out here still. So anyways, hope you guys are doing good. Right on. Oh, thanks, Helen. Awesome. Hey, check out my view, guys. This is the beach right across from my place. I'm literally only like a block. It takes like 1 minute to walk here. So this is my, well, it's not my beach, but it's public beach here, and it's just gorgeous here. And there's a nice little marina over here. I thought I'd show you guys real quick here before I sign off. So here, I'm sharing walking down the beach with you guys. So here's my little gift to you for the day. You know, this little blessing of sharing the water. It's beautiful here in the beautiful Okanagan. This is the California of Canada, and I think everybody wants to be here. There's a lot of people moving here nowadays, including myself, but mine's only temporary because well, the rent's kind of high here, and me and my girlfriend can only afford it for the next 3 months, and we'll see where it goes from there. We'll see if we can get lucky and find a place. So anyways, good morning everybody, and I wish you guys a good day wherever you're at, and thanks for following me, and definitely if you want to share this far and wide. Oh, look at that goose that's taking off. Beautiful. I haven't seen an eagle the other day. There's seagulls here, ducks, there's all kinds of birds. It's full out spring here and just gorgeous. So anyways, with that, I wish you guys a beautiful, blessed day wherever you're at, and take care, and I'll see you guys again here soon. And yeah, just I thought I would share this beautiful moment with you. So again, take care and have a good day, and we'll see you later. Peace out.